Hi Flash, this is again. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace applique. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Insert your hook into the first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Make 12 single crochets in this ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 2, then make a half double crochet in next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times and 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2, 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch to make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times and 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch to make 3 steps double crochet. Yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet in next stitch. Yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3. Make a triple crochet in next stitch. Yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 3 steps double crochet in next stitch. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2. Make a half double crochet in next stitch. And pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a single crochet in next space. Make a single crochet on top of the puff stitch. Make 2 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet on top of the puff stitch. Make 2 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make 3 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make 3 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make 3 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make 3 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make 3 single crochets in next space. One, 2, and 3. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make 2 single crochets in next space. 1 and 2. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make 2 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in puff stitch. Make a single crochet in last space. Chain 1. Then make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. to make a reverse single crochet. Keep going. At the end of the round, make a reverse single crochet in these chains. Insert your hook into the first stitch, then pull through. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you so much for watching my video and for your time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. See you soon. Bye.